Sam Altman and OpenAI are being sued by a California-based law firm for their usage of public data scraped from the internet to train ChatGPT. From Silicon Valley to your very own home, a controversial digital storm is brewing. A scenario where our day-to-day internet comments, posts, even recipes are being put on trial in an explosive legal showdown. Picture this. A world where your every tweet, every blog post, every online comment feeds the knowledge of an unseen AI. Sounds like dystopian fiction? Well, it may be closer to reality than you think. Today we'll be navigating the turbulent waters of a new legal drama that's got the AI community in a frenzy. The allegations? Accusations of widespread copyright violations and privacy breaches. The stakes? Potentially revolutionary shifts in how we understand data consent, digital privacy, and the future of AI ethics. OpenAI's achievements with GPT-4 are nothing short of awe-inspiring. To fuel this AI titan, however, OpenAI relied on gargantuan troves of data harvested from the internet, data birthed by us, the users. The class action lawsuit fired at OpenAI's doorstep contests the use of this data, alleging a violation of consent. That's right, we're looking at our online activity through a new lens, questioning if it's fair game for AI training. But the rabbit hole goes deeper. We're not just scrutinizing privacy here. This case beckons us to reevaluate concepts of copyrights, transparency, accountability, and the protection of our most vulnerable, minors. These are complex, loaded issues that affect every individual swimming in the digital stream. These matters are not limited to OpenAI. They pose daunting challenges to the entire AI industry and our collective digital rights. Should companies be able to freely utilize publicly available data sans explicit consent? What happens to copyright privileges when content is posted online? How open should AI firms be about their data usage? The implications are immense. To say that this lawsuit could change the game would be an understatement. It has the potential to redefine our online interactions, our rights, and the trajectory of AI development. But with the final verdict still in the ether, the questions it raises are more crucial than ever. Now, let's dive a little deeper. What fuels these AI models like GPT-4? The answer lies in a concept called large language models. These AI engines digest vast quantities of text data, build correlations, and generate human-like responses. This massive data ingestion is what makes AI, such as GPT-4, so compellingly conversant. It can pen poetry, engage in complex dialogues, even pass professional exams, impressively mimicking human intelligence. But this prowess hinges on our digital contributions. The lawsuit argues that by using this data without explicit consent, OpenAI crossed a line. Data is being used at an unprecedented scale, and the people behind this data, you and I, weren't asked for our permission. The Clarkson law firm, which has a history of tackling thorny digital issues, has stepped up to represent this class action lawsuit. Their aim is not just to challenge OpenAI, but to set up some much-needed guidelines around AI training and data compensation. They've even cast the net wider, actively seeking more plaintiffs and pushing for more robust measures to protect users, particularly children, from unwittingly contributing to AI training. Let's talk about fair use, a term you might have come across if you've dabbled in copyright law. It refers to an exception that allows copyrighted material to be used if it's altered in a transformative way. But is training an AI model transformative? That's a legal labyrinth we're just beginning to traverse. This court case might shape how we answer these questions. Its implications would ripple across the AI industry, affecting not just OpenAI, but tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft, all of which rely on internet-sourced data for AI training. The pressure is mounting from multiple fronts, including regulatory bodies and other companies, advocating for increased transparency about AI training data and stricter controls on data scraping. This legal storm is much more than a single company's battle. It's an issue that impacts us all as we continue to navigate the digital landscape. And remember, we all have a role to play in this unfolding drama. As we track the progression of this case, we invite you to join the conversation. What are your thoughts on AI and data privacy? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the pulse of tech.